What's good, creators? Welcome back to Monzo Media. Remember a few videos ago when I introduced to you Bokeh AI for Luminar AI? One of the issues I had was there was this outline glow showing up in certain areas of particular images. So initially I felt that it must be something to do with the mask. So I'm going to show you how to remedy that. Oh, and also I want to show you how Portrait Bokeh AI works with a group photo. So stick around for that too. So here's the image I was talking about in the last video. And if you notice a little bit on the side here, as well as under the elbow, you see a little bit of that outline glow. Now set your brush radius to, whatever's to your liking. I'm choosing 30. You don't want anything too big or too small. And make sure your brush control's under focus. I'm going to leave the opacity at 100%, softness at 100. And what I'm going to do is just extend this mask past where the dress is or the material, just a little bit. And what we're trying to do is cover that glow. Okay, so I'm going to just go around the elbow. Now, what's happening here is that now whatever's masked here, I'm going to come out of here. You're going to see that now it loses the background blur, right? So from a distance, you can't really tell that, that adjustment's been made, and most people won't even recognize that, and you can consider this done. So as I mentioned earlier, I just want to quickly show you Portrait Bokeh also works with group photos. Now if you look here, this is just a stock image I pulled from Canva and I think they use Unsplash and all those other free stock photo sites. So I'm just going to do a really quick edit here, nothing fancy, and you see already how quickly that works. But you're going to notice that the mask isn't perfect. Now you'll notice here as I hover over the image, you'll see the arms and the hands are partially masked. This one is totally out. And we're going to fix that. So again, make sure you're on focus. I'll leave the opacity. Actually, I'm going to bump it up to about 80. I'm just going to do this really quickly. So as you see the before and after, you see it looks much nicer. Obviously I would fix up, certain areas here that are blurring out and some areas aren't getting picked up, but compared to the original, I quite like that. It's amazing what a little bit of background blur can do to a photo. So until the next video, I'll see ya when I see ya.